This is the newest member of our box series. You know, we have the box quad, and now we have the box wing, and very soon we have the box rover on the way. But anyway, a few cool things about it. We're going to have a build series starting here with the wings first, and then the servo, the horn, and the linkage, which is going to be next. Then we're going to move on to the box after that, where we're going to do the electronics and do some assembly of the box to let you screw the wings on, or allow you to screw the wings on. And then after that, you know, we'll be doing the setup of the motor, and we're using a CC3D controller in it. We'll do the setup of that, then we'll be out flying. So all that's coming up. But kind of unique with, I think, the box wing is center of gravity. Our center of gravity is going to be right in this area, which is kind of unusual because this is where our battery goes. So it allows to put a little bit bigger battery in it as long as it fits into the box. The box is 6 inches by 6 inches by 1 inch deep. Also, it makes it real easy because you have quite a bit of room in this area to put your FPV camera. Our production boxes are going to have an opening here, and it's going to look something like that. A little bit better though. And this is going to be tabbed, so you can cut this out and have it with the camera or without. And the camera fit in, and it'd be just a small opening here and very well protected. So it's pretty cool if you want to fly FPV with it. And it's pretty streamlined at that point. Everything is inside. So let's take a quick look inside. So that's your interior. Here's going to be 30.5 by 30.5. So if you put a flight controller, or here we're going to use a CC3D with a power distribution board underneath. ESC is going to be located in here, and then of course the wiring going out to our motor to take the wings off. And what's unique about this is if you bust up a wing, you can just change it. Okay? And you can see the wings just come off. This is our spar. The spar will tie into this stabilizer here, and it locks these two in. And also the spar will connect to the motor mount. Let's take this wing off. So the spar can be removed very easily, and once it's removed, the motor mount, the spar goes through the motor mount, and you can take the motor mount off. Now I think you can see it in there. Okay. This gives you room to run your wiring from here through here, and that's for your servo wiring, or if you do lighting in the wings. And this will help align the wing when you go to put it on. Very easy to put together. The box is all laser cut, just like our box quad is, and it works out really good. Very strong, believe it or not. It's taken some pretty good beatings with me flying. And to put it back on, we'll just slide the spar on, and you can see here where this is going to lock onto this front area. So let's go ahead and put the screws back in. So if it's broken down, you can see it's really makes it a pretty small package if you want to carry it, or just as it is. Also, using the same method to connect your wing, we have a plank wing coming out pretty soon, and also a forward swept. Or, better than that, you can make your own style and use this connector point to make the wing that you want. So we're going to put this on. And you can feel it go through this piece here. And once it's slid on, again, just reinstall the screws. We're using wood spars, but you can use any 3/8 diameter. You can use carbon fiber if you want to, or fiberglass. We're using wood because it works really good and it's really adequate. Haven't had any problems. But, you know, if you think you need carbon fiber, 3/8 is all you need. So once it's put back together, the spars running all the way through like that. Makes for a really good, easy build. And everything's replaceable. The wings or the box. In the near future, we'll have a racing version, which the box won't be there anymore. We'll have a smaller center section that these pieces are going to connect to. And that's where the controller and the battery and everything will be. It's going to be a pretty neat design though once that's done. So, motor mounts here, prop goes here. We take up to, I think, a 6-inch. Let's just double check. Yep, 6-inch, no problem. And makes for a really good build. So this is a short intro to our box wing. The build videos are coming out right after this, with the, like I was saying, with the wings first, and then the servo mount, and then the box setup, motor setup, controller setup, and then the install of the wings, and then flying. All that's coming up next. But here's a short intro. It's about a year and a half in the making. I think you're going to like it. Again, this is Danny with QuadLugs. See you next time.